obi a wo betina ba bia kese wo no ena de wo mampani mahama si so bia oya za wo ye difo ma onya wo se wo ye onyankopon prophet ema wakwa akogina aso dem se wo ye prophet wo ko ya nyankopon entimi anka asamba ko anka ntro se ka kire wo man na ka kire wo mba na ode o mama se adwaman gbofo wo mu ntem ni se yigufo wo mu akronfo wo mu ebi di o mu turum ebi ye lesbian ebi ye fa wo won ebi ye tresom akworensafo wo mu sofo nyankopon anka nkire beta urade ka kire wo se o man feni nkofo wo bere otufo wo bere oyankopon ka na che onyame se di onyame se dey onyame nka hwenche wo ya za asofo bebre be sha nkom this year nkom hye na o mo hye no ni nyina na edai o mo hye last year 31st ni nyina na free nyankopon atro de free nyame ye de obo okoko de free nyame na de o ka kire se nyankopon si ebesi ye nyame si afimu be den nyame si this year be den nyame si next year ekom beba nyame si this year we aduane be buso nyame si say o bodama ase nkom hye ena mi hu victory ena nyankopon say mi hu victory mahama ebo edidigenti ekom asofo mu yefunu nti stomach pastors ena mo nyankwasiafo bia begum aso dem ho ne ye mo daddy papa daddy papa daddy papa prophesy shankom prophesy shankom I receive it who receive the one kasa sofo na wo ko na so no sofo ne wo da ono bo adwaman na wo san ko na so 31st 19 ayema o adwensa chara benti na ko ukwa ema ni hu se me girlfriend naba mama, don't be a deceiver. I was once dating a man of God. I was once dating a foolish and a useless and a senseless man of God. Who doesn't know the work that he was doing? He was sleeping with more than 20 women, having sex each and every day, drinking cognac. Now onum cognac. No a di konkonte. Any adwene. Na ntwie dua na wa me, owia na one wa bo adwaman aguso. Owia na wa kwatena so den. Na wa de handkerchief for paper manim. Na nkwasiafo di na china mo friend. Nyame nipa, daddy, grandpapa. What a foolish grandpapa.
Ni memo akwa abaso mesrel enene de kan abaso a subscribe to your channel no na bo bell notification so se na ble bi e video ni so won be kan notification bi na samle de evangelist free the free wade nsem ya ba betu dwa nsem na okan de se Ghana asofo na omo Ghana na omo hye sa income efa president for ho ene sa politics no Bible mu so nka politics de nka de na sofo o de ho jim beble sa adofo o si 31st night here course wi nkomo mo ko hye ene nsem beble o mo kekan ni na anya nokore ni na ya mind games na sofo no use adofo evangelist free the fee o kan sem ena o kasen so le mba na mo di sa sofo we no machi na adofo asofo bi nti se reverend osu bempa ena opese ogbo mu din nso no de bia oba life a ombo mu din straight na nso nsem o kanu eko de mom adofo obo bi di twi reverend obofo mami agrada amu ene omo keka ho adofo nsem de o ka bi yi a o kase asofo no omo nsore mba no omo mpe omo kwaji na emu no se yebebo ma baso yebe cha ma de no mo je kasa kese ene anwum nyam ene nsase no eno na asofo no omo ani woso mo echinse omo de asore ma no mokra ebekọ ba bi pa ena otu asore manefo se omo hwe omo anamo na emu asofo ne Ghana ode emo mfo mani ento omo so efise obla na omo bo no de enye saa enete omo yiyi nsengu ni nsem beble ena o kanadofo o se anu ntina o kase emma asolema no mfa omo adwen emo madofo evangelist aflie message a de ble social media for ne asofo Ghana no adofo message obeka mo ne akoti nanso waja wadwen tire bia obia de afa ho aha Ghana update
kofo bebre ekwa sorry ekotie nkwasia nkomhye nkwasia diye nkwasia keka ena mokotie free masofo ene modifo nkwasiafo no omo keka nsem hunu atronkom hye ene omo keka de kire wo sofo ne kan se obewale sofo ne se obewo sofo ne se ubenya sika sofo ne se ubenya adwuma sofo ne se uyale na eda wo so na bekọ asofo ne keka nkwasiasam nkom hye bebre ede kire mo ema mu pagya mo nsa. I receive it, I receive it, I receive it, I receive it. But none of them. Enye omo obi bia ni wa wotimi gina Nyankopon agina mu. E ka wo bone na wo ye ne kire wo. Se Onyankopon se wo kiri bone. Onyame se wo kiri bone, they didn't tell you. Wan kan kire wo se Onyankopon se mon kan kire wo tene ni no se ebesi ni ye. Na mon kan kire wo de bonya ni se onue. Inti enra oba wuti obi kunu ho ukwa aso dem 31st night ukwa da awurade ase wo da awurade ase se awurade me da wase se medi obi kunu achi ya na me da so ti ase wa ma mangu na me da so ti ase awurade Nyankopon ama wangu na wo di obi kunu achi last year wa ma wangu because ehumobro no na wo clock ne ensi ye clock na eje ke said dia okay Job chapter 14 verse 5 o si no onipa wo abosum dodo ne wonda dodo wo days awurade atwahye de ato ho eya wo se awurade do odo soronko inti na woda so te ase inti na wadwama nyina woda so te ase enti na wudi utrum nyina woda so te ase enti na wo ye lesbian woda so te ase enti na wo ye gay woda so te ase wo ye transgender woda so te ase wakoto nkudi abirichi woda so te ase ti wo kwa so dem koda awurade ase wo kwa wo ne wo mpran ne ko ye woni wukru na woni ne te be ma no ye wo ho ade na ne te no woni ne nyina na call 31st night ne yakwa wie sisi aba be wura January mu ana meboa ene ye 1st January ana meboa ene ye 1st January wa bra bodada no me na me kontokwa wo media no so no me na obi di matama me di ni bi no me de sa bra boni na aba be wura 2025 yi mu ana me de sa bra boni to 2024 me di abrabo foforo ena eba be wura 2025 ana abrabo dada na kwase ya abo na eno ana me di be wura ma na Davida sisters bebre ni yani omo start January last year yani omo ba ya ebi wu November ebi wu December ebi wu October ebi wu August ebi wu September media me ne mabusia awurade Nyankopon aboye ho ban ada Nyankopon no ntimi mbosa nkofo no ho ban na nka obetimi abo mo ho ban yo beto omo mre na so their days are numbered omo mre na so omo ni nyame ni twaka ehumabro na end grace has ended for them. Who knows? Ebia menso ehumobro no besi ama me this year ya. Ebia me de mehu mani ahu 2025 1st January. Ebia 2nd January entome, 3rd January entome, 4th January entome. Who knows? Ebia September and I say January February entome. Inti abrabo be na won se menye. Esese mi ntutu ma brabo ye, mi ntutu ma na mo ye. Esese mi apply Psalm 119 verse 9 no. Bible say dear na brantie beye amana kwan ho atene or say by guiding it according to your word esese me nanti wo Nyankopon asem so na me ntu me hu fledwa mambom krono ni seyiguo entokwa akaye pese menkumia etan ni ahoya esese me ntu me hu firi ho but ya de ya eno bias ya bra bodada na ya kwa 31st ngbo ne nkofo ani age emai ogina so da nu o shekini to ja obu atopasa kwase ya wa bru nsa na ode akotra oboya da ya ma ne bo 11:30 ni boy ya 12 o'clock no si aso dem ho because of wo kwasra mpani na nka hosa wabo prophet na obehye sa nkwase ankom no wabo sofo na nka se wodoba ho odi oba na da meme ni sofo atwempnada na oba mi fie na oba betonsa na oba bedidi owia no ni mi abo adwaman na 31st night owia na wasole na wakwa so dem ho about 12 aka 5 minutes to 12 no na wogina so dan nanim na wapie na we boy ensem prophet abo daddy aba na mo boje no so nkwasiafo Shisha Kristo Yesu trene na hinie kane na de aka won fanka ho sana sesem na akote wa so dem ho na wodi asoa se sofuo bi ahye wonkom se afi we de obewale sofuo bi se afi we de oba ne bewo sofuo ne se afi we de ovesa ubenya sofuo ne se ubekọ Dubai se sofuo ne se ubekọ China san kwase akekenya ye kan ya waso ne se walk up Bible say what does it profit a man for you to gain the whole world and lose your soul or say it is appointed unto a man to die once, and after that there is a judgment. Me wa say the uruboni, me wa say me ba be send trumpet. I am the instruments of God. I am not here to give you better and blood. I am not here to prophesy to you. I am not here to tell you things that it will glorify your flesh. But I am here to preach as an end-time evangelist. Maybe and let me see who is a prophet. Do not destroy the work of God for the sake of food. Bible says all food are clean, but it is wrong for a person to eat something that causes someone a slumber. Wabra bona wo bono. Bisa wo se 31st year na se neya 1st January, se 2nd January and why hina woko. Se 3rd January and why hina woko. Se 4th January and why hina woko. It is not a promise. Bible kai with the book of Revelation chapter 14 verse 13. O se na meti se ni bi tie wo sitie. Enhyira wo wufu a wo awurade mu. Or say, blessed are the dead which died in the Lord. Or say, from henceforth, they may be resting from their labor by their deals. Follow them. Or say, metisa nibi tie mo se chere. Enhyirane wo ufua wo awurade mu. Or say wo home wo ni brem. Na tutuben turu bobom na wo ba sore na ni nwuma bedi na chi. Se tutuben turu bom ma wo ne. Ebom ma wo yimrei. Ebom ma wo chena. Ebom ma wo chena chi. Bisa wo sa abrabo be na wo de ko. Tire ni abrabo be na wo de ko. Abrabo be na kura wa wo de ko. Enwuma be na wo de ko. Se wo bibia be bosu a. Bon se wo ni mawurade. Se wo ya tentrene. Embosu se mi wo embosu sami waka, embosu sami wadai, embosu sami wakunu, embosu sami wama. By both that you know God and his righteousness. That is why the Bible said, seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and any other thing shall be added unto you. Because everything that we are doing, nobody go to church. Say what sorry as son abrabo. Obian wa wo kwose wo kotie nyankopon asema sesa na brabo. Enne obian won ma opese won ko baabi obekọ no ye ka kire ni senya adwen sachira. But wo beko baabi a ye nyina ye wo a na baabi a yabotwi ede agu ho. Eye baabi a ye kansam ede kire yen. And ada ne atro nkom hye na difo ne ka kire yen. Metie prophet fo ni bebre ahyehyehye nkwase ankom. Bebre akansam a enim. Bebre di onyankopon di atwatro. And the Yabama Bible na kasa. O papa. Se sofo ka kire wo se, o ba be walia. Omwa o. Onka nsem a enwanwa o. Se sofo ka kire wo se, wo benya sika, onka nsem different bi ankire wo. Se sofo ka kire wo se wo be wo a, the man of God, so-called man of God is not saying anything that it is going to benefit your soul. Asama wo ka kire wo se wo be wo. Asama o ka cho se obe wale. Asama o ka cho se obenya sika. Asama o ka ne se ye do visa be ma wo. Asama o ka ne se ukoye o citizen ai bebem. Asofo na asama o ka se adwuma na wo ye no ye beto unwuma be koso, o mba be koso, wo be dale, wo be ye sei, wo be nya ho, wo be ye odefo. Sa niema ni nyina ye material things o oba. Sa niema no. Wo ye kuna wanya dan. Wo wo den. Wo ye sika den. Wo sisi adan den. Dia ubeye bia beja ho. But it's a sofo ni ka kire o se maame. Sisa wa bra bo. Me no kan kwaji asem kire o. Adwensa kire asem kire wa. Ono na olidi wa ma salvation no. Ono na wo kire okwan no. Se ya modwen se odifo ni odufo a wo hye nkom. Ebesi uye onyame ya. It is a lie. A prophet is a warner. A prophet or warning nipa. So onyankopon ba be ye bibia. Onyame be se krono. O mani ya bone. Na onyame aso che ba. Na wadi asini so. The Bible say. Sa me den granta be krodim. Aba be se o man no. Na se yenya obi. Yenya wo nipa onyame difo bi. Ana yenya nipa konkro ni bi. Na wo sorry. Na wo tie menum asam. Na wo bo man ne kokwa. A prophet is a warner. A prophet is not someone out there to massa saw them. Catch us said that so. Ya kanya midifua, enye nyamidifua ni ya wase, okonu Isaiah, okonu Isaac, okonu Habakkuk, okonu Jeremiah, onu nye nyamidifuo, oye the prophet of Antichrist, oye Satan, bofuo. Ukonu Isaac we, ukonu Jeremiah we, ukonu Habakkuk we, sanko fona ukoshia omono. Oma bra bone wa bra bo a ugbe pepepe abusia pre won kwaje ho kwan Shesha unkwaji achiri kwan. Shesha unkwaji achiri kwan. Get closer to Jesus. Get closer to God by yourself. Bible say, John chapter 4, onyankopon kana sem di achire yen. Okan John 3:34, wakan di achire yen. Bible say dia onyankopon asoma no, okan onyankopon asem. Onsankom. Onyame ni nkom hye nyina ne se, kobo man ne kokko. Kobo man ne kokko. Kobo man ne kokko. But ye dinfo na ye wone de, any false women of God. False women of God. Oh my social media so say tam. Ebi ya konfo, ebi ya bosom, ebi ya za. Oh my social media so say tam. Ti one kasa sit down and check yourself. Asori na ndra na jo. Ukojina mu. Ekoye, ye be yi wudi na ye. Wadi nkuni mama ye. Oh, ye be yi wudi na ye. Hey, wadi nkuni mama ye. Ogwamba wokunu o. Ofata se oji aye. Ampa. Oba, ampapa. Ogwamba wa ye den. Ogwamba wa ye den. Ogwamba wokum no. Ti wujiri si yakum Yesu. Edi enti ni yakum no. Ogwamba wokum no. Ono dia wafata se oji aye ya. Ohini nyami gwama. Yebe iudi na ya. Missy Wogwamo, Ogwama Yesu awokum no. No dia wafata se oji aye ya. Ohini nyami gwama. Yebe iudi na ya. Ogwama wokum no. Obebo adwaman. Ogwama na yekum no na woto nwom no. Obebo adwaman. Obeyi ni sengui. Obeku ntokwa. Oya lesbian. Obeye gay. Obeto nkumbrichi ye. Okwodi nkofo kunu machi. Dabi o. Eye memenu mi enu ye nkwasi adwaman ne ya brabo bone na ye boy enu nti no bewu ye. Wewu awie. Odi asem na mayen. Wabeto fa ahudie ne ye nkoa na we were slave to sin. And wabe shia disi moja say atwagu e de ama menu mi enu. Nti ene we are not slave to sin anymore, but we are a slave to righteousness. By sit and ask yourself, wabra bona wo bono, mabra bona me born 2025 no. Nature say me free nkwasomu, e moja na to me no, me appreciate moja no, me hu say moja ne so me bo, ana me hu say moja no mabra bo kire say e moja no cry, e fa so bia cry ni so. Oh yes, you know it. Oh shame, who di obi kunachi. So for na nka nchira. Oh shame sister. Wa hwese de wato nko abirichi hu a wo de hweme wan kasa wo hweme sofo na nka we nyina nkyerɛ wo ti aso dem wankoye wo to wankoye wo nofo wato nko asra wo di obi kunachi wo ti aso dem wo ye hook up sofo ni ntimi hu san kwase yankom hye nka nkyerɛ wo ba sofo ne ka kyerɛ sɛ awurade si ebesi wiye sofo ne sɛ wo ho ayefe wako birichi sofo ne begina emame na se nyankopo ahyira wo ye me ba wo ho ayefe wo wedi nyina asesa kwase asofo wentimi anka nkyerɛ sɛ mame. Now we tuntum 2 years ago. Na ba ne say nesisi asa wa kokoi. What on kwasra? Katla ne say Bible say men say already. Katla ne say Bible naka. Isaiah chapter 45 verse 9. Or see one unto you that question your maker. Okukuyumfo. Otu osofo ne kan kwase ankom hye hye ngine ni age. So for ne catch and sama me yankopon shiraw no ba besia ne nufu nyina agu abonten wo ye tattoo wo sra mo de tattoo akata ne nsachi ne knuckles na yatum na so for kwase akogina ho catch and say hey me na me ka say eh ye ho na mo say na ya de ne hye kwase so for de wo bedi enti wondwe ni pakra ho Bible say me kan shiraw o say en say wo yankopon adwuma because of wafu o say do not destroy the work of God for the sake of food. O say all food is clean, but it is wrong for a person to eat something that causes someone a slumber. But it is wrong for a person to eat something that causes someone a slumber. No wonder Bible says munyina mo ya jimi for. Mo ti se mpreko. Mo ntime nka no kura because ya chechere mo ato ho sikenti. And now so fuduma sikenti. They don't win souls for Christ. Osoro so obeka nkwa giasem. Osoro so obeka boni anim. Na osoro so obeka boni anim say we media. Me na me try me ya printing press. Dabi. Inti esa me say as a preacher. me from Genesis to Revelation, me family on tie. Whether you like it or not, opa ko e kani pa ba kokora beka asem no. Cause o kra ba kunti na Yesu ba e. Wamba anka ni Yesu Kristo ba asasi so no. Oba asasi so for quantities. Quantities yenti. Akromfo, edwamambofo, ni nseyigufo. Yenya pa kata pa sa kata pa kata cha. Yenya ebo edwama yenti na Kristo Yesu ba e. By we ba hwie moja kase na gu awie. He's not coming for quantities, but rather he's coming for qualities. Osi miti se ni bi tie mo se twere enhira ni wo wufu a wo wu awurade mu osi wo hu ye wo home wo ni brem na ni nwuma bedi na chi bisa wo se nwuma be na bedi wachi o hwa me oba o kan se gu bu sisi ya wani age se 31st abeto January 1st January wani age akwa so de makoda awurade ase ye be yudi na ya wakoto ma awurade osa nyine o gina Pentecost aso dem wa bro ko winsani o gina so dem o ya family planning wayi ni yemu ma nyina to agu so for ma me dickness wo kire ndro dickness wo ye uti aso dem na wo ma nyonyon gas ni ndro mom di ni sengu asoli eda wo kire se de ye family planning asoli eda wo te puppet so a wadi wo yiri tu ma wo yiri tu nyina sai ye kese ye to nyuma no akogina ho mama bisa ho endro wo hu se ye de obi ato no wawu 4 days ago South Korea or North Korea and 179 people died. Do you think it's a no money die so? Do you think it's that they don't have an aim? Do you think it's that they don't have a future? Do you think it's a no money? Do you think it's that they don't have plan? Every plan is all about wale. Every plan is all about. Every plan is all about any PhD. Every plan is all about any citizen. They have a lot of plans. By Bible say, the living knows that they will die. The living knows that they will die. But the dead know nothing. For their memory are gone. Their memory are forgotten. Their love, their hate, their envy is all gone. So you and I know that we will die one day, and after death, there is a judgment. Said the Bible can, yeah. It was the book of Hebrews, chapter 9, verse 27. No. What can they actually mean? Hebrews chapter 9 verse 27. Bible says it is appointed unto a man to die once and after that. If somebody tell you, say, there's no any day. It's not something that benefits your soul. It is something that benefits your flesh. So why should I run to it? Why should I kill myself for something that benefits the flesh, but not something that benefits my soul? Why should I grab? Receive it. Receive what? What did I receive? What should I receive? Receive your children. I receive it. Receive Wawalia. I receive it. Receive your healing. I receive it. Bible say righteousness exalt a nation. Konkro ya nema kurono kwaso. Edi fo nkwasi afo be gu ho. 31st night mom ko stua nkwasi esika de ma ho mo. Obi ene won mo tim ka kire Ghana aban. Na wo teso no. Na odi o mai sika om de bo adwaman no. Obi ene wo ka asem. Onyame de na asem so so nko ka kire president na wo teso no. Ba nkwasi afo adifo. Obi apese wo nya animunyam e wo president anim. Onya animunyam e wo MP anim. Udi nyankopon na wo som no no. Okokroko no. Odi na adwuma se ya hyawa no. E ma wo pa animunyam afri president wo. Bodam. President for 4 years. President for 5 years inti. Udi nyankopon asem na to ho. Na ntro nkom hye. Wo yefunu nti. Dia wo bedi nti. Nkofu abrochirefo kasa omdi be free Ghana ombe free abrochire dia ba Ghana omuntimi nyi president ne na pamfo nkwasiafo no e de be mamo e be to ni chipa mamo na mo be park wo mu fie na mo de cameras atoso nti president ye nkwasia ne ma muntimi nkanchire no. You and I on this media, we saw people are dying. Obituary bebre 4 days ago 179 people, they all died, they all gone. They have the same dream that we have. They have the same vision that we have. They have the same husband that we have. They have the same wife that we have. They have the same children that we have. They have everything that we have. Where are they? They are dead and gone. Nothing can bring them back. Nothing can bring them back. Bibi biara ni hono ma ebetimi an sign ayede ede o ma ba asase we say subio. Nothing can bring them back again. Oma brabo mo bebo ye, oma adwuma mo be ye, oma sika mo be pay ye, ni nyina ye den, ni nyina akọ. It is all gone. Na mom no ade a edi omanim a omo de kọ. Eyo ma brabo a omo bebo ye ena omo de ko. Oma brabo mebo yo. Ena da omo ni mo de ko. Inti sa wo kan Bible na yan kan wo kan Hebrews, the book of Hebrews chapter 11 verse 13 na. Bible say all those people were still living by faith. Or say when they die, they did not receive things promised. They only saw them and welcomed them from a distance. Admitted that they were a fragrant and a stranger on this earth. Or say admitted that they are strangers, a fragrant and strangers on this earth. You and I are nothing. You and I are like this. You and I like this. And Rami, you see, you and I are like this. Sana minumi enutie. Fragrant. Catch them say perfume na ma dia gum fra mem no. Catch them say mensansesa. Ewa he. Mensansesa free fra mem. Na me fengu bottle nim. I cannot do it. Sana minumi enutie. Unya tofam say tim. Ya do ya hwe enye ye bio. Unya tofam say tim. There is nothing. Ya do ye be bio. We ya momone. Inti Bible no kan ye. Emma meti ase say. Enetie besan kone netiem. Emma enson besan akone nson. The book of Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 7 and 8. Bible say, and the dust returned to the ground it came from, and the spirit returned to God who gave it. 8, meaningless, says the teacher. Everything is meaningless. In the Bible, now can be Emma Matthias, the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 9, verse 5 to 6. Oba, packing kind. Packing kind of thing and go pass ye. O packing kind of thing and go pass them na see ye ya. Won kotna sa nkwasiafo ma we no ma so dem. Won kotna sa so nkwasiafo asofo we, edifo we, false prophet, false evangelist for. Won kotna tna o ma sorry dem. You have to know Christ for yourself. Nkonko kasa nkyere wo bi. Ema o meka nkyere wo. You have a way. Nkonko betimi ni wakasa anytime. Bible says when a man ways praises the Lord, or see he even make his enemies become at peace with them. The best protection that you need. Na so for ba kwasrampani azan no abegi na social media say beji ade to wonsa beji protection beji way what the other what do you need that for? Where is the word of God? And also that you born abra. Also that you born abra. Who was spiritual marriage abra? Who told you said those kind of foolish? And bema sanya ma born in there also no. Also that you born or say beji oil, beji yesu moja, beji kodi ewo kosia, beji abeyifu onku, and beji bansre, ban red, fanto wonsa, and am yesunsun nipa, sunsun be nipa. Who yesunsun be nipa? John chapter 3 verse 34. O said ya wanyankopon asoma no o kan yankopon asem. Wonye sunsum nipa eya azan. Makwajeje san kwase ane ma we nyina achi na ada ne hohompone ene tua mo so. Ade a wo betimi de obonsam agina akon edi ni sonkunim eye konkron ya abrabo. It Bible ka kire ye wo. The book of Ephesians. The book of Ephesians chapter 6. The book of Ephesians. The book of Ephesians. Ephesians chapter 6. Ephesians chapter 6. Verse 10. Also finally, my brethren, also be strong in the Lord, also and in the power of his might. Also put on a whole armor of God. Also that you may be able to stand against the winds of the devil. Also for we wrestle not against the flesh and blood, but against the principalities, against the powers, against the rulers, against the darkness of this world, against the spiritually wickedness in high places. Also therefore, take unto you a whole armor of God. What is the armor of God? Eh, yes, umoja. Eya bai fonku. Eya kwadi ya wokosia. Eya bula munsio. Yesu moja. No biya kuno. So bolo no biya gu adem no woton. Oko kan. Na oma ye gangalia na oma betena media no mudi watem. O kuma sofo. O kuma papa no. O kuma sister no. You are not serious. So fight for your own soul. Fight for where you're going to spend your eternity. That is the most important thing. Don't fight for someone to rent 1-bedroom apartment for you. Don't fight for somebody to give you chicken change. 10 million, 20 million, 50 million, 100 million. Just ordinary chicken change to win your souls for the devil. But fight for where you're going to spend your eternity. Because everything that you see here, a day will come and a time will come. Everything will be disappear. Everything will be destroyed. Bible says if the foundation can be destroyed, what can a righteous do? If the foundation is about to be destroyed, what can a righteous do? At the end of the foundation is going to be destroyed. What can a righteous do? At the end of the Bible no can bibi wa say. Bible no can. The book of Ecclesiastes. The book of Ecclesiastes. The book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 9, verse 5. No? Bible says, for the living know that they will die. Or say, but dead know nothing. And they have no more reward. For the memory of them is forgotten. Also, their love, their hate, or say, and their envy have now passed. Or say, they have no share in everything done under the sun. Everything is meaningless. Or say, onipa na wotiase no mimi no mie we know say yebewu se onim se obewu nam nim se mewu a abrabo be na se yemo adwaman cha adwaman ana meboa konkonsa entokwa what gina social media bloggers entokwa ase ahwe ankontokwa e dia kama from January to December udi abab udi be January 2025 sister Ewurade wo bekun Ewurade wo bese wo Ewurade wo be destroy wo Ewurade me die so na me so nyo mi na catch am say Frida sache fi wa bra botantan ho na hwe kwan no so na ko because bia January will be the end of me ada na usuro Bible say owo ye mfaso de ma Christopher ti ada na me kase me wu a usuro dabi sa me bo ma bra bo ye na me te konkro ye ma why should I be afraid owo is me mfaso de o se sa me ti ase a me te ma Ewurade me wu so a me ya Ewurade de ana me boa death a benefit for we Christians. Yen na ye frɛ ye ho sɛ ye yo Nyankopɔn ba no yen owuo ɛyɛ mfasode de ma yen asase so there's nothing good on this earth nti yenko nti Bible no e kan ye e ma meti ase the book of Jeremiah chapter 22 verse 20 Jeremiah 22 verse 10 Bible say ensu mane e wawu Bible say mensu do not weep for the dead or say neither mourn his lost, or say, but weep bitterly for where his heirs are. Where his exit? We don't have exit B. We don't have exit A. Men bow bra bossa dia upe. Na so for kwasna mpeni nka nkyira wo say. Ehumabro na de wo kwa heaven. Grace. Ehumabro. Yesu Kristo ababewu. We be hie moja ya kunu, ya bona asembiem, ya na niema ya wababewu. Ade agye minu mienu. Ose wo ko ode ne nsem ama ye say yendi so Bible say asem ni nyina ne say so Nyankopon na de ne mira nsem so bet ma fa Yesu awie bet me tie adwamambom ma fa Yesu awie me kobosom so ma fa Yesu awie bet ma brabo a me bo nyina ye Yesu abrabo na Yesu Kristo aka chem sampa wa ya ade say wo di obue wa no ka say wa fa me na wo da so kobosom so wo bo adwaman masanya ba ehumobro na so sanya ba be fa wo e de wa ko heaven what be that na de nko be wu ye dai don't be a deceive Bible say do not be a deceive God cannot be mocked. A man weep whatever sow that whatever that they sow. Bible says whosoever sow or weep sow to please their flesh, from their flesh weep distractions. And whosoever weep for their spirit, or say from their spirit, they will omubecha ediye eternity. Ubecha eternity. Inti wabrabo na wo bono. Sit and ask yourself, say, abrabo na me bono. Inti yanko ene afiansa me ba masem no so. Ye ko 31st night. Me man kobi. Me fa nkontompo ni na braba no. Enko nkotena so dem. So there's no need say me ko 31st night. Me kwa 31st night me kwa den. Me kwa there radi ase. Me kwa kasa radi me da wase. Can't I stay in my house and pray to God and cry to God? Nka wo ye no. Bible memory verse asofo ni begina so dia ma wo. Psalm 51. Bible say David ya hunu empire. The book of Psalm 51. Ena nenka wo senka sofo ni miem no won kan kire wo. Nenka su. Nenya adwen sachira e wa sorry dem ho. Sugu awurade so. Nanka wo hu mobo. Nanka won fa bɔ ne nkyɛw. Na ɔma ne ho nkonkro ne mɛyɛ ma wɔ so. Nka wo ba fie no. Nanka wabra bɔ a wo bɔ nyina nkenne. Wabra bɔ a wo bɔ nyina. Ontaade hyɛ masesa. Okasa e masesa. Oni ye masesa. Obi ane na ya aka wabɔ ne prum. Mr. Joa, good morning. Edi asam. Mr. Joa nya botre ye si afufufrum. Me pa cha magye me mfom so atom. Said ya me ye wo nyina nye. Oba pa fa kyɛ me. Na kyɛ sɛ esu na ukosu wa so dem ho no. Wanya adwen sa kyerɛ nti awurade de na wo nkonkro na ma wo. Wa say ni wabre ni pebia na se. Wabre wakoma na se. Nti woni oma ya aka nyina abom. Wukọ na ne bra ya aka oni kwakwa ya aka obi kura kwatena so dem ono ni kuna ya aka o se me kwa 31st night wukọ wukunu se menko wantie wukunu asem na akwatena 31st night wukọ ye den ho adwaman nti no kọ ye wukọ ye den ho sofo ne se wo pe no nti wanka 31st night ya wukọtena ho na wo ni church member twempena woni ye da twempena woni organ instrumental se twempena wanka sofo na wukọ na so no sofo ne wo da ono bu adwaman na wo san kọ na so 31st night nti e ma wo Ayama, adwen sacha benti na koy. Uko ema ni hu say my girlfriend naba. Hey, mama, don't be a deceiver. I was once dating a man of God. I was once dating a foolish and a useless and a senseless man of God. Who doesn't know the work that he was doing? He was sleeping with more than 20 women. Having sex each and every day. Drinking cognac. Na onom nsa, onom cognac. No we di konkonte. Eni adwene. Na ntwie dua na wa me, owia na one wa bo adwaman agu so. Owia na wakotena so den. Na wo de handkerchief wo pepa manim. Na nkwasiafo di na china mo friend. Nyame nipa, daddy, grandpapa. What a foolish grandpapa. Do you have any grandpapa? Grandpapa ni Kristo. Ono wa po na brabo. No wa fa abrabo foforo na wo bo. Yen sura urade. Ene nipa suro sofo no sen. So obesuro Nyankopon. Nipa. Ene ye suro se ye suro sofo. Kura sen se ye bedan. Ye besuro Onyankopon. Na visa enkom se na omhye no. Do you think it says ankom na omhye no nyina no. Ni nyina na free Nyankopon. Ye wa nyame bebre wo ho. We have so many gods. Asofo bebre be se enkom this year. Nkom se na omhye no. Ni nyina na edan. Omhye last year 31st. Ni nyina na free Nyankopon. Atro. De free nyame ye de obo okoko. De free nyame na de okatra wo se Nyankopon si ebesi ye. Nyame si afimu be den. Nyame si this year be den. Nyame si next year ekom beba. Nyame si this year we aduane be buso. Nyame si say bodama. Wo ye difo ma onya. Wo se wo ye Nyankopon prophet. Ema wakwa akogina aso dem. Se wo ye prophet. Uko ya Nyankopon entimi anka asamba akwa anka ntro se kachira wo man na kachira wo mba na odi o mama se adwaman gbofo wo muntem ni se yigufo wo akromfo wo ebi di o mutrum ebi ye lesbian ebi ye fa wo won ebi ye tresom akwensafo wo sofo Nyankopon anka nchira but awurade ka chira wo se o man feni nkofo wo bere otumfo wo bere o Nyankopon ka na cheo o nyame se di Onyame se de onyame nka hwenche wo ya za odifo bia wo betina ba bia kese wo no ena de wo mampani mahama si so bia o ya za enye wo bia na de ni si so eye niema enkoyie eni edidija na ewe MPP mu enunti ena ma party mu checheye enunti ena alankojo chira mantenya o man fada nyina ena ma party ni mu checheye ebi to aba ma NDC ebi nso anto aba MPP for more than 40 to 50% anto aba ebi no msese ba omia ye Muslim onkoto na ba ma Muslim medine man so enye prophet bia hwankwase ankom so omo hyehyɛ ena me kɔ ha kɔ ya ade ena me tu kwan ena me kɔ all regions ko ye dan ko ye wuni ana kɔ ye wo se Nyankopon ye tu kwan ya kɔ hwɛ no Nyankopon ye tu kwan ye kwa hwe no. Nyankopon na ye som no no. O se ba bia baanu ni ba sa hia na awurade Nyankopon na ohobi. Nti odifu emi bisa wo. Onyame ye tu kwan ye kwa hwe no. Onyame ye tu kwan ni ye kwa hwe no. Ukọ regency ne so kwa ye dan. Na Nyankopon na nka wontimi nyina. Bible say osoma na sema ensan ma ne nchenkwa. Ade se kwaya de sese enye nti nanka wontimi nyina wo dem ho nanka wo mmɔ mpaye awurade kasa o man no o man ni dawa koma so o awurade otumfuo nyame awurade ye gina wani mo wan na wo bo awurade si wo nyina dabi kwase ankom hye ena mi hu victory ena Nyankopon se mi hu victory ma mebo edidigenti ekom asofo mu yafunu nti stomach pastors na manya nkwasiafo bia beguma so dem ho ne ye mo daddy papa prophesy shankom I receive it who receive the there is no prophecy there for you that live in a sin. Bible say 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14 or say if my people which are called by my name shall humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from thy wicked ways, or say then I will hear from heaven and forgive their sin and heal their land. Dear victory ben ahuye